Hello everyone, I am Mr. Sagar Bhopale, working as an assistant professor in Department of ENTC of AISSMS IOIT Pune. Today I am going to tell you something about what are the different stages in electronics product design. So, first stage in electronics product design is identification of customers' requirements. Second one is design on paper. Third one is establish the techno-commercial feasibility. Fourth one is testing of technical and functional specification. Fifth one is pilot production batch. Sixth stage is environmental testing. Seventh one is quality assurance. Eighth one is documentation. So we will study one by one in detail. So the first stage is identification of customers' requirements. That means market survey. Market survey is first and very basic step of product design. In order to start the development of a new product, the needs of the customer must be identified. The marketing or sales department, after interacting with the customers, can find out the requirements that can be translated into technical specifications by joint meeting of the customer, manufacturer, and the design team. There is one शेर by गालिब, क्या बताऊं हाल मेरे कारोबार का, हम अंधों के शहर में आईने बेचने का काम करते. That means if you are trying to sell mirrors in the city where all the people are blind, then your business will not work properly. So this share gives the importance of identification of customers' requirements in the development of any product. Next stage is design on paper. After finalizing the specifications, the R&D team starts designing the product on paper. By considering the different parameters such as the environment in which product is to be used, the package enclosures, panel control, etc. are designed by the designer. The prototype based on the paper design is prepared, which is called R&D prototype. Third stage is establish the techno-commercial feasibility. It is the feasibility of the technical specifications of the product at a mutually agreed cost. The technical specifications of the product are decided by the consumer, manufacturer, and the designer. The designer estimates the probable cost of the development of the product for the given specifications. If the customer agrees on the cost, the R&D designer prepares a bill of material. The costing department works out on the probable selling cost of the product by considering the different factors such as cost of the material, purchasing labor cost, manufacturing overheads, different taxes to be paid, and profit margin. And depending on that one, the selling price of the product is decided. Fourth stage is testing of technical and functional specifications. The prototype is tested for technical and functional abilities of the product, and by referring to the results obtained, changes, if any required, need to be carried out. And if the designer is satisfied with the test results obtained, then the documents can be forwarded to the production department. Fifth stage is pilot production batch. When the field trials of a designed product are over and the design engineer is completely satisfied with the product quality and its technical and functional specifications, the product documentation is prepared and submitted to the production department. The production department then initiates the activity of making small batch of same units. For example, 5 to 10 units based on the complexity of the product are manufactured, and this batch is called as pilot production batch. Sixth stage is environmental testing. After the product is manufactured, all units of the pilot production batch need to pass through an environmental testing. The components of the product are tested under the harsh environmental conditions. The manufacturer has the freedom to select the severity level of testing by considering the site of installation of product. Seventh stage is quality assurance. When the production department and R&D are satisfied with the design of the product, the test results data of the pilot batch units is supplied to the quality assurance department. The quality assurance department is the ultimate authority that declares that the product has passed all the tests satisfactorily. after randomly checking units from the pilot production batch, and they will give the certificate that the product is ready to sell in the market. Last stage is documentation. The manufacturers will do the proper documentation of the product. A good documentation cannot help poor products, but poor and inadequate documentation can destroy a good product. Therefore, documentation is very important. It provides the information for understanding the product, its capabilities and utilities. It is essential for operation, repair, maintenance, servicing, and upgradation of a product. These are the references I have used to prepare this video. Thank you.